Hi guys, and welcome to the Google My Business listing of Supervids. Now this is going to be a short video for those of you who are website owners. If you have a website and you are not yet taking advantage of digital marketing or video marketing because you cannot create a video about your business, then you are in the right place. Supervids is all about creating video or editing video for you at your disposal. So, what are these website videos that we create for companies or people such as you? Let's have a look.
Do you have a wedding, birthday or special occasion booked? Need to capture those memories that last a lifetime?
But it doesn't stop there. We create these videos by utilising pre-production research that we do for your business. This includes keyword research and a lot more. This ensures the success of your video and making sure that the traffic that you win is of high quality. So remember to click through to our website www.supervids.online